Welcome to the MCE Minute. Today, we're diving into the essential task of testing Newmar's Galvanic Isolator. First, let's understand what a galvanic isolator is. A galvanic isolator is a device that is inserted in series into the AC green grounding wire, safety ground, of your shore power feed to help minimize or reduce the effects of galvanic current from flowing into your vessel. So, why do you use a galvanic isolator? Each metal has a voltage potential. It is the difference in electrical potential when immersed in an electrolyte that creates the galvanic current that eats away the anodic or least noble metal. While the purpose of the GI is blocking galvanic level current, it also has to allow for the passage of AC fault current. Testing is important to ensure you never lose your AC safety grounding conductor while trying to block galvanic current. Now let's dive into the testing process. We start by connecting the galvanic isolator in series into the AC green grounding wire, safety ground, of your shore power. Now, let's grab our trusty digital multimeter for testing. Set your multimeter to the diode test function. Put one test probe on one of the isolator's stud terminals and the other probe on the other stud terminal. As the isolator's internal capacitor starts to charge up, the reading should rise to approximately 0.8 to less than 1.0 volts. If the reading instantly jumps between 0.8 to 1.0 volts, it indicates a defective capacitor or a bad connection within the isolator. A voltage of approximately 0.45 volts suggests that one of the internal diodes is shorted and will not provide complete galvanic protection. If there's a reading of 0 volts, it could mean both diodes are shorted. Readings exceeding 1.0 volts indicate one or both diodes are open, not conducting, in which case you should stop the test before the capacitor reaches 2.0 volts. Now remove the test leads. Short the two stud terminals on the isolator together to discharge the capacitor, and repeat step 4 test with the test leads reversed. If your readings differ significantly when tested reversed, it's time to contact your seller for assistance. Do not install a galvanic isolator that fails this test. There you have it. Testing your galvanic isolator is crucial for your boat's safety. If in doubt, always consult a professional.